Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this electric pressure washer. My patio really needs it, so I'm excited to check this out. So first and foremost comes with the directions. This is what it's gonna look like. First thing we have here, little nozzle for the water. This piece right here, the hose, the part where the water spurts out, the frame, and then we have these pieces. So let's start first and foremost with the body of it. Love the blue color. It's like a little car almost. It's quite hefty. Cord. So let's go ahead and look at the instructions to see what we're supposed to do first and make sure that all the pieces are good to go. Oh, it came connected with this. I'm assuming this is probably important later down the road. So all the pieces came with it. Number one, attach the mesh stock. This is the mesh stock. This right here. Slide that on. So make sure it's nice and tight on there. All right, next you're wanting to attach the hose reel handle, which is this thing. And you need to use some tools to do so. You can just go ahead and slide it on. We need to insert the little screws, which come in a little baggie here. There's 2 long ones and 4 short ones. So it has to be the long one. And then next, we want to go ahead and attach the cable stock, which is this piece. So with this on, we want to go ahead and use those 4 small ones that we had. All right, next we're going to go ahead and attach the high pressure hose, which is in this bag. Oh, cool. The high pressure hose is this one, and we're going to attach it to the body. You have to unscrew the little guy in the front, and then he goes in here. All right, next we have this piece goes into here. So we just want to press it in. Next, mount the lance to the gun, nozzle to the lance. So you see over here, fits this here. So if you just go like this and snap it into place. All right, and then finally, we need some bits. So these are the nozzle heads. So these over here in the back says the pressure, 15 degrees, 25, 40, and 0. These basically are the degrees that the water will spread. The final piece is this. This is if you want to use detergent. You can go ahead and insert your detergent here, and then the water will mix with the detergent and then spray. We're going to go ahead and start off with the 0 degrees first, because that's going to be the most pressure. You pull down, plop in, let go. You gotta be careful, it's a dangerous activity. So as you saw, there are literally so many ways you can use the high pressure washer. You can use it on your patio, any types of, bricks, gravel, all that different stuff. It could be the side of your house. It could be chairs that have grown little things. It's the best time to power wash everything, since we haven't done it in like a decade, no more than that. Now that we have a pressure washer, we're definitely gonna be doing it every year, just to keep things fresh, keep things clean. And plus it's like super satisfying to watch. If you wanna buy this high pressure washer, go ahead and check out the link below. Let me know in the comments as well. What would you use this pressure washer for in your own home, in your own apartment, wherever it is? And if you like unboxings, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.